Today I'm here at Stewart Manufacturing to spotlight what opportunities in manufacturing there are right in our backyard. Stewart Manufacturing provides quality CNC machining services to a wide range of customers in automotive, agriculture, mining, diesel engine, heavy equipment, and power generating industries.
Manufacturing is really a wide variety of industries, anywhere from the car you're driving down the road to the turbo that's powering a truck to the frying pan that you have making breakfast with. Here at Stewart Manufacturing, we have a lot of different career fields, anywhere from machine operator to CAD designer to quality technician, maintenance, forklift, inventory management. So like I say, there's a lot of different areas that young people today would be definitely interested here at Stewart Manufacturing. When we're out there looking for employees, what we're really looking for is someone who takes a lot of pride in their work. When you look at what we do here at Stewart Manufacturing, precision is key, quality is key. So someone has that sense of pride that every single time they're going to do the best that they can with each and every part that goes out the door. I think manufacturing industry has probably some of the best benefit packages that you see out there right now. And also the opportunity to advance. If you can come at an entry-level operator type standpoint and you can really work your way up through a company if you choose to do so.